Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 1.3 today. So let us start. Question number 7 says, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. It must be answers, and 0 for questions which are not attempted. Students, let me explain you. There was a class test which contains 10 questions. Total questions were 10. If you give correct answer, you will get 5 marks. Incorrect answers, you will get -2, and 0 if you don't attempt the question. Now, this question has 3 parts. 3 students have attempted this test and we have to find their scores. So let us start. First part. Mohan gets 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So let us start now. First we will write what is given. We will write here, it is given that total questions is equal to 10. Marks for correct answers is equal to 5. Marks for incorrect answers is equal to -2. Now, first part, Mohan's score is equal to what he got? 4 correct answer. So I will write 4 into what is the correct answer? Marks for correct answer 5, plus I have to add, because we have to add correct answers and incorrect answers so that I get final score, plus 6 incorrect answers. So I will multiply 6 into -2, because -2 is for 1. If you give 1 incorrect answer, you will get -2. Here it is 6, so we will multiply 6. Same way for correct answer. So 5 4s are 20, plus 6 into 2, 12, but -12 because there is negative sign. Now we will add 2 integers with unlike sign. So we will subtract the numerical value. 20 minus 12 is 8, and give the sign of the largest integer. So it will be +8. Therefore, Mohan's score is 8 marks. Now let us solve second part, but let me write down it first. So second part is, Resma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? So I will write Resma's score is equal to 5 into correct, and for correct how much? 5 marks, plus 5 incorrect. What is incorrect? How much marks for incorrect? -2. So it will be 25 plus 5 2s are 10, but negative because -2 is there. Now again same way, adding 2 integers with unlike sign, we will subtract the numerical value. 25 minus 10 is 15, and give the largest value, that is plus value. Therefore we will write Resma's score is equal to 15 marks. Now let us move to third part, but let me write down the third part first. So third and the last part, that is Hina gets 2 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempted. Students, she attempted only 7 questions. That means 3 questions she didn't attempt. And what is the marks for the questions if you are not attempting? It is 0. So if we write or we don't write, it is the same thing. What is her score? So let us write Hina's score is equal to 2 questions, each question is of 5 marks, plus 5 questions are incorrect, each question is of -2 marks, plus 3 questions which she didn't attempt, then its marks is 0. So let us solve. 2 5s are 10, plus 5 2s are 10, but -10 because it is 5 into -2, plus 3 into 0 is 0. Now 10 plus -10, the whole answer will become 0. So Hina's score, therefore I will write, therefore Hina's score is 0 marks. This was all they asked in this question. But if they have asked us that who scored more, so what will be your answer, students? See, 0, 15 marks and 8 marks. Who scored more? If they ask you who scored more, so you will write Resma scored more. Understood, students? Hope you have understood this question. If not, go through it 2 or 3 times so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with a new lecture in future lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.